You will have to carry the casket on your head to your destination.
On our head? Why now? Come, see. This is the height of it. I've had it up to here. Huh? Look at me. I'm not the type that jokes a lot. How can you ask us to carry this thing on our head?
Calm down now.
Please don't tell me that. You're a ghost. What are you doing amongst the living?
Gigi.
You're supposed to go back to where you came from. Don't try this thing with me next time. See, because I'm scared, eh? I don't used to fear for too long, so you will not try this nonsense. Forgive us. Bring that down.
What now? Come, let me ask. I listen to the woman's she will have me.
My grandpa! What happened to you? I need a taxi, a cab, anything! Where is grandpa? Go! How's the grandpa?
Now my grandfather is very sick. I heard that they came out from the hospital yesterday.
Hey, what could be the problem?
I heard the man is diabetic.
Hey, diabetes. What? Hey, this is terrible. How poor Naomi? What will she do now? Hi. I heard that diabetes is sickness for the rich. That the cure is very expensive.
Hi. I feel for her, Shao. But what to do? I even give her 5,000 naira to add up to the money that they have.
That's very
From what she said, they are not even done paying their hospital bills. Even if I give her all the money I have, it will still not be enough.
I feel for her, Sha. But I know that God will comfort the family. They must find a way out of this.
Amen. Oh,
I'm
amen.
sure.
Amen. Amen.
This life, eh? My dear, I saw the press. He told me he has been trying your line, but it was switched off.
What does he want?
He said he needs a new girl, virgin. But he said this time around, it must be a pure virgin. In fact, no go. Newborn if possible. I'm telling you.
It's like that prince is crazy. He's crazy. Something is doing him in the head. Why will he be saying this thing now? Like how now? We don't have any candidate at hand now. He would have given someone information ahead of time. Nah, hey. Oh, but I need this money. I need this money. I don't want to stay in this village more than 3 months. It will be dangerous now that even the missing girl case is not being serious. I need to run away and live my dream life in the city. I need this money. Why don't we use one stone to kill 2 birds?
How do you know? No, now this is not fair. We can't do that to our friend.
You can't do what?
We can't, for crying out loud.
That makes it very easy. She's close to us. And you even said the prince needs no kind of girl. Look at her now. She's the perfect
She's very small for that.
Oh please. Oh please, don't tell me that. She's very good. This is not her friends. The prince will play us and stop. It's not starting to
Not this girl. She's very small for that.
Hey, Ijoma. Excuse us, we want to have a word with our friend.
What exactly do you want to discuss with her? I can't wait. Or can't you see we are heading somewhere?
Just calm down.
Oh, please. Ijoma, we dey quarrel. We are not now. We are friends. We only want to help our friend. Especially this difficult time. Well, thanks for that. But she doesn't need your support. As you can see, she has enough support already.
So you're saying that you're not going to allow us talk with our friend? Is that what you're saying?
Yes. What if I am? Oh, what will you do?
Ijoma, please, it's okay. Why do you always have to be rude to my friends? Be kind to them for once.
Me? Rude to your friends?
Yes.
Really? See someone I'm trying to help. I'm rude to your friends. Oh yeah, go and meet them. Go now. No problem. Just go. Don't worry. Me rude to your friends.
Come, I beg. Oh my, I will have good news for you. We told the prince about your grandfather and he has agreed to help.
Wait. Oh my god! Are you serious right now? Yeah. Wait. So you mean the prince is going to help my grandpa?
Yes.
Oh my god!
It's okay. Okay. Well, what you do now is you're going to go with us to the palace tomorrow, so that we can see him and say thank you.
I'm not sure about tomorrow. I have to take care of my sick grandpa. But don't worry, I'll be there next week. I promise.
Next week is too far now. You have to see the prince so that he will know that you are serious. Like he can even consider so many things in your case. We have to see him. So tomorrow we'll go to the palace together. Do you hear?
Yes.
You know your grandpa cannot live without you. The prince wants to help you. Are you happy? I'm happy.
Yes.
Hey, you pay all your grandpa's gifts. Yes, now. So you have to see him. Like anything for our friend. Fine. Oh, you're going to chase that your rubbish friend. Go and chase her.
Am I seeing?
My princess, you're welcome. Thank you.
Oh my God! Mom, how have you been? I'm good. You're looking good. Thank you. How was the journey? Just turn. Honestly, I've really missed you. I've missed you, my girl. Okay, let's go up. We have a lot of things to catch up with. Let's go. Beautiful. And you too. So how's everything? Yes, honey. It's something. Honestly, I'm worried. How is your health? An improvement. Good to hear that. I'll get back to you.
No, you don't call it.
Oh, it's your father.
Hope there's no problem.
Not really. Only that I'm worried about your brother keeping late nights. It's quite unbecoming considering what is happening in our community. Nobody's safe anymore. Why should he be keeping late nights?
Well, Mom, I've talked him down about this and he still seems adamant. I'm tired of talking.
Honestly, I thought of telling your father about it. But on a second thought, because of his health issues, I decided not to tell him.
Mom, you have to tell him because it's getting out of hand and nobody is safe in this community. So you have to call him and tell him.
Yeah, come in.
Good morning, my friends.
Good morning, my prince.
Yeah.
So, we're here to take her. Hope you enjoyed yourself.
Damn.
Thank you, my friends. You have done well.
Thank you, my prince.
Yes. Where is our clothes? Go and check for her bed. Naomi, I could see them.
Naomi, just wait. I'm confused. How? Naomi, please explain to me what the doctor meant by you consuming substance and now resulting to kidney failure.
Ijoma, there must be a mix-up somewhere. I don't take hard drugs. I've never even smoked a cigarette. Talk more of any hard drug. I'm too young to have a kidney failure. Please believe me.
Fine. I believe you, my friend, but this is life-threatening we're talking about. This is not just ordinary sickness, it's kidney failure we're talking about here. We could not even afford money for normal treatment, not talk of raising millions for your donor. Please, you need to think deeply. Think, maybe somehow Uchechi or Faith gave you something to consume unknowingly. Please.
I can't remember anything. Wait. I think I remember something.
Speak now.
Ijoma, I messed up.
Now talk to me. Whatever it is, speak to me. Let's find a solution to all of these problems. Please. Please talk.
I remember Uchechi putting something in my drink. But the prince...
The prince did what? The prince said what? Naomi, why? Naomi, why? Eh? I read you about those two people.
Which two people?
Papa, it's...
Which two people?
Papa, it's nothing. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Papa, I don't need anything.
No. Naomi, how are you? I hope you are looking better now.
I'm fine, Grandpa. Each and I will just rehearsing for our church drama.
Okay.
Yes, Papa.
Okay.
Papa, I'll take my leave now. Naomi, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Why is Joma leaving now? Is it because of my presence?
Oh, no, Grandpa. Maybe her mom wants to send her on an errand.
Okay.
I'll be inside if you need me.
Oh.
Naomi, you're getting weaker by the day. If not for the drugs the doctor prescribed, I don't know what would have become of you. Any plans yet for the operation?
Yes, of course. I'm only waiting to hear from them.
Them? Who are the them?
I meant my uncles. Yeah, my uncles. It's been 1 week now, and they promised to do something about it.
Okay. I just pray they get to us soon, because there's no time anymore.
I know they will keep to their promise.
Okay, no problem then. I'll be on my way. I only came here to find out your plans.
Thanks for everything.
Okay. I have things to do. Okay, let me go to my. Oh, please. Don't think too much, please. Okay? Okay. Alright. Bye.
But they promised me. It's been 1 week now, but I've not heard from them. No, the prince. Let it not be I've made a big mistake. But they are my friends. They won't hurt me. No, they won't. It's okay. I'll wait. I'll wait. Uchechi.
What are you doing here?
I don't understand. What do you mean by what am I doing here? Can't I come and visit my friend anymore?
Hey, you can, but I wasn't expecting you. That's just it.
She wasn't expecting me. Uchichi, what have I done to you? What offense have I committed that you and Faith suddenly started avoiding me? Throughout this week, you both have totally ignored me, knowing the pains I'm going through. You and your evil priest refuse to fulfill your promise. Uchichi, are you going to just sit there and watch me die? Was this part of our deal? Huh. Uchichi, I thought you were my friend. I thought I could trust you. You promised me that the prince will not sleep with me. But what did you guys do? You drugged an innocent me just to get me to his bed.
Do you think I can never do that to you? You know me.
Get your hands off me. You thought I wouldn't find out, right? You girls lured me into the hands of those monsters you call male friends.
Naomi, what are you saying? And what is this? I told you that I wasn't there when the prince took advantage of you. I didn't know anything about it.
I said it. I said it. I knew I was right all along. When you kept on saying that I was overthinking things. I knew that those men did something to me. The day you put that tablet into my drink.
Naomi, what are you saying? Just calm down, I'll sort things out. And see, I didn't have anything to do with your kidney failure. I didn't know anything about it, so just calm down. Calm down, Naomi.
Don't even tell me to calm down. Don't even try it. Juma was right all along. She was right. Now look at me. What do I do? Where do I get the money for my treatment? Tell me.
And I said I'll sort things out. Naomi, please. Don't exaggerate things. I'll sort things out. We're still friends. You know I cannot do that.
Naomi. Naomi.
What's going on? I just saw Naomi walk past me without saying anything. What's going on?
I just finished talking with her. So? She has found out.
About what?
Everything, the truck. Everything. She knows now.
Like, how? How did she
I don't know. And she's threatening to expose us. And you know me. There's no way I can allow that. She can't expose me. I still remain the tigress that fears no wild or domestic animal. They can't be put to shame.
Now slow down. Slow down there, girl. No. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope it's not. Please, she's still our friend. She's our friend for crying out loud.
And so what? Girl, we don't have time on our hands. What are we going to do when she exposes us? I don't want to please, baby, just... You know what transpired between the doctor?
I know now.
Say Chika. And we can't let her come.
We have to do
sign
something.
any document.
Don't tell me this! Please!
Bring your voice down to your house.
I know, but you have to do something. You have to figure out another way. Please! What have I gotten myself into?
Die. Cheers, bro.
To us.
Let's wait for the next one. Let's wait for the next fish, bro.
Of course. Of course.
Here you are. I knew I would find you both here, you evil men.
So will you shut up? Shut up! Who the hell are you? And how do you come here and spill rubbish?
So you don't even recall who I am? Well, I guess you must have had so many virgins in your bed, but you don't even recall their faces. My name is Naomi, an innocent, naive virgin, betrayed by her so-called friends in exchange for you two for money. Does that ring a bell now?
Now listen to me, young lady. I believe you know where your friends are. You go and meet them. Besides, we don't have any business with you.
I should go to my friends, right?
Of course.
After taking away my virginity, not only do you take my virginity, but you also planted a hard substance into my drink just to get what you want. Okay, now it's time for you to fulfill your promise. And you're trying to back out? Look, my kidney is failing. I'm dying slowly. The treatment you promised to sponsor, I've never heard from you guys ever since that day. And now you're asking me to go back to my friends? Even my grandfather's sickness that used to lure me into this mess because of your fake, stupid promise that you're going to sponsor his treatment. You abandoned I and my grandfather since you got what you wanted. But it's okay. I'll go back to them. But before I leave, I want you both to know that you have 3 days, just 3 days, to come up with a solution to my kidney failure. Else
what? No, else what?
Wait.
Who gave this little brat the wings to... Are you mad? Oh yeah, will you get away from here before I use this on you? Get out!
Can you imagine this little rat? Come on, get out from here.
by the time I expose you all, you'll know whether it's a threat or not.
What?
Stop! Yeah, are you stupid? You don't have, it's like you don't have respect. Look at this idiot to come here and be talking nonsense. You expose. Who are you going to expose? Let me not see you here again.
Did you hear that? She said she's going to expose us.
Expose what? About exposing what? What does she know? She didn't know anything. See, let me not see you here again. Next time, if I see you here, I'm going to beat you.
I'm not taking that for granted, bro.
My prince, calm down. This girl, she's a very small girl. She don't know anything. Calm down. She's not gonna do anything. She's only just a mere threat. Okay? Realize you should be thinking about how to get the next virgin. Next virgin online. Huh? Relax. Let's drink.
Good afternoon, friends.
It's a good thing I found you two here. I'm not here to patronize any one of you, but I'm here for real talk.
What is the problem?
One of your friends visited me and my friend, telling us that she developed kidney issues from the last time. And if we do not pay for whatsoever it is, that she'll do this and do that. Now listen and listen good. I have a reputation to protect. I will not have it tarnished by one village girl. So I expect you to fix this.
My prince, bring your voice down. Hey, I actually heard about it. And I said later, let me come and discuss it with you. Hey, but I wanted to suggest if you can bring the money so that she can do the transplant.
Don't tell me you're part of this.
No.
Huh? Do you know how much she was talking about? You expect me to spend that much on that village girl?
Hey.
I'm telling you this for the last time. Fix this.
Yes, my prince.
What if she has caused a commotion out there? Hey, and someone else gets to hear about this? What do? We are doomed for life, you know.
Naomi isn't as naive as we thought.
Hey!
That girl is something else.
What do we do?
Let's go and see her.
Listen, we have to do everything possible to shut her up. This is not a child play. She knows all the role we play in this. Listen, we don't even have money for kidney transplant. Not at all. And Prince is not even ready to pay. Who will pay? We're talking about millions of naira here.
Let's go and see her and tell her that we are ready to sort everything out.
We will pay the bill. In her truth, we won't pay anything. You know the deal. Let us go.
Grandpa, I think I will be alright.
Oh, well, thank you so much. It's as if you know how tired I am. Since I woke up, I haven't been feeling very well.
Sorry about that, Grandpa. Do you need me to get your drugs?
No, I don't need that. Where are you going with that bag?
I want to go and amend my clothes at Obioma shop. Most of them are worn out. But don't worry, I'll be back before dinner.
Alright, my daughter. Please be very careful out there.
I will. Okay.
Please.
Thank you so much. You can go now. We'll take it up from here. Please, take this. On your way back to town, pour blood on it. Tear it. Make it look like an animal attack. It can be for evidence. Thank you. Thank you.
Please.
Naomi, darling. He will expose us. And this is the only way for us to shut you up. Why are you crying? Do you want to get exposed? I can't afford being exposed. I can't afford being disgraced. So please, let's just use one mind and do this. We have work to do and stop shedding tears. Help me take her off.
Wait. Please don't say that.
Please help and put her on me and stop this nonsense before I get angry.
No.
Papa, please. Next time you need to be very careful. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to me. Oh my daughter, nothing will happen to me. Even I didn't know when I was pushed down. Please. I know you. My granddaughter, Naomi, it's not even at home. I went to Obioma's place to amend her clothes.
But I didn't see her when I passed through the church. Oh, maybe I was too busy to notice.
Okay. If you go there, check her. She should be there.
Okay, Papa, no problem, I will just rush back and check to see if she's still there.
Oh, yes.
But please, Biko, you need to be very careful next time, please. Please, let me quickly rush and check up on her. Please, be careful, Papa.
Thank you.
This isn't how I picture the friendship. Why smile on my face? Why your heart is full of evil? Please let me to clean up my mess. Oh no,
Please.
Just hurry up. This one is too much.
Laissez pas, please. Laissez pas. No, tell me to shut up. I want to be like her, please. I want to help her. I've changed my mind. I'm not doing it. Are you mad? You know, because of what you want to do. Are you crazy? Are you mad? What you want to do? Come on, I'm a saver. See, are you mad? I'm a
Why smile on my face? Why your heart is full of evil? He has left me to clean up my mess. Oh no,
Shut up! Shut up!
Listen, if you don't start digging now, I will kill you. I will hit you and die. And I'll put you in the same grave as now. Say my cards.
Uche! Choma. Mama.
What is it?
Mama, okay. Mama, good day.
Good day. Why are you crying?
Mama, isn't Chechi around?
No, she went out.
Mama, was Naomi here?
Naomi?
Yeah.
I hope there's no problem.
Mama, Naomi is missing. Naomi is missing, Mama.
Naomi is missing.
See, Naomi. What is going on in this village? Naomi,
Hey!
oh, Papa.
In this village? What is going on in this village? What is going on? And we don't know the Mazia command neighbor. Eh? We are still talking about the two that went missing last week. Now, Naomi is nowhere to be found. Hey! Olisabini will see us so. Eh? These children will not put us in trouble. And Uchechi, this is why I talk to her every day. Uchechi, this girl will not put me in trouble. Where did she even go to since morning? Eh? Hey! Jesus. I will need to go and find this girl. Let me go and find her. It's your soul.
Uchechi, where have you been? Eh? You got me worried. I've been looking for you since morning.
Why are you looking for me? Mama, I'm not supposed to stay at home every time. Can I not go out and play with friends? Or maybe the house for you.
Uchechi, you are getting out of hand. You are getting out of hand. Oh, Uchechi, what I see sitting down, if you like, can't get up until you not see it. Oh, this girls are bad girls in this village. Everybody, including you, is careful. But you choose to frustrate me. No problem. Naomi. Naomi.
How are you?
Where have you been? I've been searching for you everywhere.
What do you mean by that? I've been here, of course. I only went out with Uchichi and Faith and came back.
Naomi, I've been searching for you everywhere. Eh? Your grandfather is worried too. The entire community are worried. In fact, they are all searching for you. Wait a minute, Naomi. Did you say you went out with Uchechi and Faith? Naomi. Naomi, I'm talking to you.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
That's good. So, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
You don't need to tell me you are fine. I can perceive that you are growing into a very big girl. You know?
Yes,
I know you came to see my daughter, Ifeit.
Actually, no. I'm here to see you.
To see me?
Yes,
Any problem?
Nothing really. I just want to tell you something very important.
As you can see, I'm going for a very important meeting before you accosted me. Please, why do you want to see me?
It's actually about Naomi.
Naomi?
Yes.
What about her?
Yeah, Uchechi and Faith. I need explanations on Naomi's whereabouts. Where is Naomi?
Come on. You the Chris? Who be this one? You the mad? We be your mate? We be your mate? If I was to slap, they go come up for you.
Was who? You think it's by church or church? Okay, you guys should not just worry. Don't worry yourself. Because when I lay this place, I'm going straight to Noah's house to explain to him.
What is your evidence? What is your evidence? Do you have one? Dear IJ, you think you can accuse someone like that? Oh, it doesn't work that way. Oh, nice.
Come over here! I don't win because I don't give my money. Give my money.
Ijoma! You are saying something very important to me. You suddenly went mute. You are saying something about whereabouts of Naomi. What about it?
Oh no, please. It's a mistake.
No, talk to me.
Please, I need to leave. Please.
Just like that?
Please excuse me. I need to...
But I'm happy you're here, and I just want you to be happy all the time. No, I can't do something for you.
Thank you for coming. literally asked you to come here concerning the disappearance of my friend Naomi. I've searched everywhere for her. And I can't even get a clue of where she went to or where she is right now. The one that concerns me most is the grandfather. You know he's having BP and he's getting worse by the day. He's worried and this man is old already. He needs to see his child. I don't know if you can help me in any way, please. If you can mobilize the youth, please. For a search, please.
Okay, that's no problem. I will mobilize some youth. I will communicate with them. So by tomorrow, we will set up for a search. This time around, we are going to find solution to this nonsense that is happening in this community. Do you hear me? So just calm down. There's nothing to worry about. Everything's going to be fine.
Thank you.
I'm going to talk to my fellow youth, okay? Okay, no problem.
What's up, Mom? Mom! What's going on?
Honestly, I'm being perturbed by the sudden calamity. This girl's missing every week. It's a very big problem. And we don't know who is behind this, who is doing all this.
Mom, you need to calm down. Alright? You need to calm down because I believe the police are doing their jobs.
The police are not doing anything.
Trust me there. I believe they're doing their job. And in no time, they'll get about it. Alright? You have nothing to worry about, Mom. Come on. Relax.
Please, I'm sorry for the other day. I'm sorry for the harsh words I used to you, please. I didn't mean to accuse you wrongly. Please. I worry for my friend's grandfather. The old man is dying and he needs to see his granddaughter again. Please, Faith. I no longer sleep at night. Naomi keeps appearing in my dreams. Faith, Biko, please, Faith. If you know anything about Naomi's disappearance, please, I beg you, spit it out. If she's alive, let me know. If she's dead, say it. And I promise you, no ear will hear about it. Please, if Naomi is dead, say it. So you can go get her corpse and give her a befitting burial. Biko, please, I'm begging. Please. Please. It's okay, it's okay. We went. Hi, IG.
What were you trying to do? Faith. So if I didn't get there on time, you would have told on us. Are you okay? Are you mad? God, why are you not smart? I'm so disappointed, Faith. Faith, I'm disappointed!
I'm sorry now. I wasn't going to say anything. I'm sorry.
Eh? I want you to know one thing. That if I'm going down, you are going down. You are going down with me. Don't think you are free, oh. You are not free at all. So anything you say, you're going down. So you were deceived by that stupid girl's emotional speech? Huh? Are you okay?
I'm sorry now. I will not do that again. I'm sorry.
You better better respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself and keep your mouth shut. That's by the way. The prince is in need of 2 more girls. 2 more virgins to be precise. Yes, so he has told me. And he will pay handsomely for this.
What? Like, seriously? Are you insane? Really? Are you mad? I think you're not serious. Something is wrong with you. You mean you are arranging another business with the prince? Eh? I don't understand. You are mad. Seriously. Something is wrong with you. How dare you talk about another deal when we are yet to come out from the mess you created? I mean, Uchechi, what is wrong? Open your eyes and see what is going on. We are the primary suspects here. Ijoma is bent on exposing us. She will do everything possible to prove that we killed Naomi. Shut up. Can't you? Why are you shouting? Try to hear me out. Instead of you to lie low and bring a solution on how we will come out from this mess we created for ourselves. You're talking about another virgin. 2, for that matter. Ijoma is bent on exposing us. She knows everything we did. And I know she will do everything possible to prove that we killed Naomi. I know that. Can't you see it? Instead of you to come out with a good solution that will make us to come out from this mess we created. In fact, you created it. You are here talking about another virgin. 2, for that matter. This is not fair. Man, you're wicked. You are heartless.
Calm down now.
All these things is just because of money. Money.
Yes, now. Will you not calm down? Listen, there is no suspect. You cannot be suspected as a suspect until you act like one. Yes! And we've been doing it. Are we acting suspicious? As long as you don't act suspicious and I don't act suspicious, nobody will suspect us. What threat? What are you talking about? Is there any evidence? Does she have any evidence? Is there any proof that we killed her? No! So the matter has gone down. Listen, let me tell you, who don't die, don't die. Anybody that has died is dead. So please, I want to make money and leave this village for good.
Oh
please,
my God,
just follow my footsteps and stop acting like a cat.
Oh my God. How did I get here? I mean, look at me. How did I get here? I'm now a murderer. A killer. Because of you. Because of this useless friendship.
I beg, Faith.
Oh my God.
Faith, we are talking about your 50,000.
I hate you.
We are talking about your 50,000.
I mean, I hate you. I caused the day I met you. All this. Because of money. Just because of money. I hate you. I mean, look at me. How did I get here? I'm now a murderer.
Don't make me angry now.
I'm a killer. All because of you.
Are we not in it together? We are talking about your 50,000 naira here. So check if you are in or not.
I hate you.
See, I'm going. Follow me or not.
I hate you.
And mind you, if you open your mouth and say little, we are going in.
I hate you. I cursed the day I met you. Oh God, Jesus, what do I do now? This guy is wicked. I hate you!
What the hell are you doing here? And how the hell did you get in here? Why you look so dirty? Yo! Hey! What the? just saw a freaking ghost. I just saw a freaking ghost right now.
Ghost?
Yeah!
Where? How?
In my room! I swear to God, I just... Ah! Ah! Shiva!
Who's after you? What is it? Hey! What are you running now? What is that? Faith. Talk to me now. Faith. Eh? You will not believe me if I tell you who I saw. Who did you see? Faith. Yeah, talk to me now. Who did you see? Talk to me now. Who was that? I woke up and saw Naomi standing in front of me. Which Naomi? The one that is dead. Why are you not laughing now? Naomi is gone now. You cannot see Naomi. It's not possible. As in, are you okay? Nah, do I look at someone that likes to joke? Why would you lie to me now? You can't see Naomi. She's dead. I said she's inside my room now. Oh yeah, come and show me. Come and show me now. Ghost here. Nothing like ghost. Come and show me the ghost. Make I see. Come. What is wrong with you? She's not there. No one is there. Hey! Ah! Spirit. Come on, relax. Nobody's there. There is no ghost. Oh, you don't understand. Calm down. No ghost there. I woke up. I saw a human figure standing in front of me. I said to take a clearer vision of who it was. But it was Naomi. Naomi what? The one that is dead. Naomi's dead and gone. Nothing like that. Look. There are no such things like that. It doesn't exist at all. Nothing like ghosts. Those I don't smell believe. Nothing like ghosts. What is it now? Tell me. Jesus! What is it?
Mama, you don't see my Chika.
Chika. So you have not seen Chika?
I have not seen Chika. I've complained to the queen. No. Let me go home and wait for their reply. What I can't do since morning.
Revenge! 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 Revenge!
Enough of the running. It's time to act. So you both thought you could go scot-free from killing I and others? It's payback time. You both shall reap what you've sown. Now listen attentively. From this time onward, you both shall follow my lead. I shall be in charge of your life because I own it now. A life for a life. You shall go to my grave. I'm waiting for you there.
What's the meaning of this? You're asking me what is the meaning of this. You caused this to us. Didn't you? I warned you. I warned you, let's save this girl, but you refuse. You don't have any option. You have to do as she said. Must. Never! Never! I will never do what she said. Who does she think she is? I cannot allow a little dead bat to ruin my life for me. What did she say? That she owns my life? A life for a life? What does that even mean? I am not going to any grave, and that is fine now. Listen to me. Hey! Hold on, I have to slow down. Enough of this young dish. You don't have time. You have to act fast. You must do as she said. Let's go! I am not going to any great fate. And please, just shut up! Shut up! I am not going to any grave, and that is fine now! We must go there. And you don't have any choice. You must please. I am not in time for that. I hate you for Don't kill us, please.
I do not have any intention of killing you. Else, you both would have been dead by now.
Hey, please now, please. You need to leave this place, please. Oh, God.
Don't cry. Are we not friends? Now listen. We are going to play a game.
Game, kwa? In this graveyard?
Shut up. I do the talking here, and you play. Is that understood?
Yes.
Good. Henceforth, I forbid you from sleeping in your beds. This must be your new home, and your sleeping position must be here. That is where you belong. Go now and get your desired casket, and you must report here before 8 p.m. every night and leave before 8 a.m. Is that understood?
Yes. Yeah.
I repeat, you must report here before 8 p.m. every single day of your life till you die.
What? That will be forever. How possible is this?
Shut your mouth. How How dare you beg for pardon? You evil creature born of a woman. Do you recall how I begged and pled for your mercy, but you went ahead and buried me alive? Now I am in charge here, and you have no right to tell me what to do. You have no choice but to play my game. Like I said, go and get your desired casket and report here before 8 p.m. and leave before 8 a.m. every morning. I shall be your karma. I shall torment you till death. You shall beg for mercy, but it will be far away from you.
My prince. My prince. What's up, bro? There is fire on the mountain, my prince. Hey!
I was actually on my way to your house.
To my house? No,
I got shit going on at home.
Hey, we are not going to my house. Why are you coming to my house?
No, you go first.
No. Why? What happened?
Alright, that Naomi girl I saw in my room. Alright, yeah, I was scolding her. I told her, leave my freaking room right now. And this girl, instead of leaving, she disappeared. What the hell is going on?
You mean that Naomi?
Yeah!
My prince, the same thing I encountered in my own house.
What the fuck?
My prince, this girl appeared in my house with a knife, threatening to kill me. I was begging her, calling her name. Naomi, please, Naomi, please. My wife started asking me, who is Naomi? Yo. I was so embarrassed.
Hold on, man. Did your wife see her?
My wife?
Yo.
No, she didn't see her. She didn't see her. I even asked my gate man. He said he didn't see anybody. But the girl was chasing all over my house. My prince, we are in trouble.
Yeah, man. We're in trouble. Shit, man. I think those girls killed her like we planned. Hi! They freaking killed her. And right now we're in deep shit, bro. That girl's spirit is as stubborn as she was when she was alive. We're in deep shit, bro.
This one don't pass shit too. He knows that I'm not following her for that plan we're gonna do. Hey! Stop this one!
What are we going to do? This is getting serious.
Let us move to the city.
City? Are you sure she will not come after us to the city?
No. My grandmother used to tell me that a spirit cannot go far from where they are buried. So, she will get tired looking for us as the city is so big. She doesn't have that kind of strength. Yes, so we'll just go to our different houses, take our money and clothes, then go.
Okay, that's the only idea you have. I think we should do it. I don't have any option. This is too much for me. You know what? Let's go to your house, get your things, then we'll go to mine. I get mine.
Anyone, let's go.
My prince, how far yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday went well.
Wow. Were you able to meet with your clients?
Yeah, I did.
Alright. I don't understand what is happening these days.
Why would you do that?
You slapped me? You slapped me? Wait, you slapped me because of this girl?
You slapped me.
Are you okay? You want to fight me? You want to fight? Okay, you want to fight me? You're fighting me because of this girl. Is he your girlfriend?
Jesus. Where are we? Uchechi, where are we now? Jesus Christ. How did we get here? This is not the way to your house. Neither am I. So how did we get here? What do we do now? Oh, I thought you were saying now. Uchechi, what do we do?
Wait.
Oh, yeah, tell me.
This is road to the village market. This one.
No, now this is not the road.
This is the road to that village market.
Which
that big market, Naiko.
Okay. Are you sure?
So, I know the track road that will take us to the village. Let's go. Let's go.
Here's the casket shop.
Casket shop.
Mommy, what is it? What is that bad thing you did that you cannot forgive us? Stop this now. Why not the torment? It's not good though.
Mommy. So it has been you all along. You're making us to lose our way just like that. Naomi, you are still our friend now. Dragging us to a casket shop is not the only way. Please forgive us. How do you expect us, the living soul, to sleep and wake up in the casket every night?
Shut up! Shut up! This is going to be my last warning. Choose the casket you like and return to your new home. Remember, time is ticking.
Namidoya, welcome. Hi, they don't die.
Okay, baby, we shall be soon that you concern you. I beg one casket for the both of us. Yes.
Casket for the living.
Oh guys, see, this is not supposed to be your business. Just you're supposed to focus on your business. Are you doing or not? And don't ask any nonsense question here.
Anyway, what do I know? Which one? This one now, and this one.
This one.
50,000.
Oh guys, it's too much. It's too much.
Oh no,
It is money now.
what do you mean by that?
It's too much. Please,
How will you got 50,000? It's too much.
Well, 40.
That's
Going?
80,000 naira. For this thing that the material is not even strong.
It's skinny. No talk and make it. Lower your voice. If my papa come out here, you know go gree sell at 99,000 self. Talking of 100. I beg you.
Okay, call your account. I hope there is a cab to take the dust.
Yes. Guys, cab.
Me, I'm not paying for transport, so this money is too much.
Ozubonu, what are we doing business for?
I'm not paying transport.
It's again.
Thank you.
Oga, what is happening now?
Oga, what happened though? What is the problem?
now. Which one be say you don't know? This man a quack driver with a quack motor. You're wasting our time. We don't have time, oh. Don't know your job. What is he doing? Okay, what is going on now?
This is an open space. You can't do this here now.
Why are you dropping this in here? It's not good.
Hold on first. Let me check something.
Hey!
Someone can say you're in trouble.
The world is so cruel, lies and deceit everywhere, just for selfishness.
Hey!
I don't say na this thing they cause this wahala.
Which thing?
This thing when I carry, I no fit carry again. I want to go.
I don't understand. Which kind of talk with this one now?
I don't go fit go again. I know she said the motor don't start. You know green start before.
Listen,
I carry her down the start. That means that this
cannot
is
leave us stranded here. How do we go from here? You have to take us to our destination. This is public.
So what do you want make I do?
Help us now.
Help you go where? The motor don't start before I know green start. I carry this thing down the start. I won't go. Say we go. Give me my money, man.
Come on, cast you. It's okay, what? You want to pay this man for what?
You don't pay my money.
I don't want to pay you.
I don't you. That's what I'm working now.
Yes. Stop that thing, I beg. Put your account number. You want to pay this man? For what? Why will you pay this man? This is more than ordinary. Oh God. Calm down. Check it. Hey, give us another cabman number now. Hey! Bye-bye.
Smile on my face. Why your heart is full of evil?
Hey!
I made it up.
You will have to carry the casket on your head to your destination.
On our head? Why now? Come, see. This is the height of it. I've had it up to here. Huh? Look at me. I'm not the type that jokes a lot. How can you ask us to carry this thing on our head? Calm down now. Please don't tell me that. You're a ghost. What are you doing amongst the living? You're supposed to go back back to where you came from. Don't try this thing with me next time. See, because I'm scared, eh? I don't used to fear for too long, so you will not try this nonsense. Forgive us. Bring that down. What are we going to do now? Take. Don't shout on her. She's a ghost. Take. Calm down, okay? Thank God. Ah! So tell me, what do we do now? We go carry her move. Go ahead. You see what happened to me? Worse things can happen. So please, let's just carry it, please. Hi. You have to carry.
Why smile on my face? Why your heart is full of evil? He has left me to clean up my mess. Oh no,
Mama Faith, I was just about coming to your house. So.
My house?
Yes. I'm looking for my daughter Uchechi. Did she spend the night at your place?
Your daughter Uchechi?
Yes.
So you are telling me that Uchechi is not here?
No, she's not here.
I'm even looking for my daughter Faith. Please.
You're looking for Faith?
Since yesterday, my daughter left my house. And I know Shande, your daughter Uchechi is 5 and 6. So they will be here.
They are not here. Ah, Mama Faith.
Stop doing that now. Open your house. Let's stay.
They are not here. They are not here. Our children are missing. Let us go and look
for them. What do you mean missing?
They are missing.
Open that door. Inside your house.
She's not inside. Let's go and look for them.
Don't do me that you know I'm a baby patient. Open the
Mama
house.
Faith, they are not here. Let us go and look for them. Time, please. I can't find my daughter. She has not been home. Uchechi. Uchechi, where are you coming from? Huh? Where have you been? Huh? Uchechi, talk to me now. Where are you coming from? Oh, no, Shibikono. Where is she coming from? Why is she not saying anything? Okay, madam, I'm through this girl, though. Eh? Okay, no problem. Okay.
Hello? Because I've been calling your number since your number is not going. What's happening? See, bros, I'm not fine.
Is this the Nomi of a girl? The torment from her spirit is becoming unbearable for me. Eh? The whole thing don't tire me now. My wife has started asking questions. So many questions that I can't answer. Hi. No, guy. See, as I'm talking to you right now, I'm driving straight to a prophet. Yes, that's the only solution we have now. And I will advise you come over there and meet me. See, bros. There is no time for all these questions. Bros, there's no time for this. Please, let's just... Bros, see. Mommy, please now. Please, Mommy, please. I did not kill you. Please, I beg you. Spare my life!
I did not even sleep too.
Why is that Chico laughing at us?
I don't know.
See that girl? I hate her so much. She's getting on my nerves. Babe, see me. The more I see that girl, the more hatred I have for her.
I need to do something about it. No stomach. Short excuses. Don't let that happen. Support your routine. Something very fast. What? Oh my goodness. I think I just see a ghost. What is it? The prince just called me now to tell me that to see his thing. Jesus! This what? Jesus! What's happened? Naomi killed him. The prince told me that she was on call with Lucy and he was screaming Naomi's name before he ran the car. I said this. I said it too. This is not that dog. Who's going to be the next? Who's going to be the next? Definitely we all die. We need to die. Who will die? Please, keep quiet and don't start this thing now. Faith. It's obvious. What is obvious? You will be the one to die if somebody will die here. Yes, I'm a Christian. We have not lived our life half. We still have a long way to go, so how can our life be cut short?
Grandpa, I'm cool. I arranged the whole house and I washed your dirty clothes. I also made meal for you. In case you're hungry, you can dish some for yourself.
Oh, thank you, my daughter. Thank you so much. May Almighty God continue to bless you.
Thank you, sir.
My daughter, Naomi, you really have a good friend. I can see that.
Grandpa, it's okay. And I want to assure you, as long as I'm alive, I'll always be here for you. Right. Okay? And in case you need anything, please, you can call me. I'll always be here to do anything for you.
Alright.
Please.
Thank you. Lest I forget, have you heard anything concerning Naomi's case?
Papa, to be honest, I've not heard anything.
Right.
But if I hear anything, you'll be the first person to hear about it. For now, all I want you to do is please take care of yourself and always be careful. Be cool.
Alright. It's alright.
Alright, I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
Well,
alright, thank you so much.
Please take care of yourself, Papa.
I will.
Don't think too much, oh.
I won't. I won't. Hey. Naomi. Why wouldn't I think about you? Oh.
Hello. Good afternoon, I'm a video. I see the sub now. I'm a the jungle since now. Me and Kate don't man here. So my nigga dey here. Don't they waste time. Me I get work one go do like this. Why? I go die for you. She dey herself. She dey. No, she no fear escape. Man, I me do and relax. Man, this road here. All I need back. And I will get here. Oh yeah, now I beg shop. I beg I go do business like this. Oh yeah, now 100 for you, mama. Bro, I come go Kemoti. I come be out here. You should not escape. Why? She escaped. I dealt with you now. I said I dealt with you.
Kill me so easily, like that. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, because from now on, I'm your biggest fool. Oh, please, spare me that pretense. So you two thought plotting against me to kill me will work. I am not now who you will kill so easily. Now, look at me very well. I am sound and healthy. Please, shut up. Oh. You need to listen to me very carefully. From now on, as I'm watching, I will see you. And soon, very soon, this village will go to yours. You know you're too small. You're too small, and listen to me. Utter another word here. If not, I dare you. I dare you to try it.
Take this offer. When next she appears, just raise it to her face. She will go away forever and never come back. Remember, you must come in contact with her before using it. I assure you, she will never stop me again.
So this is fake charm? Ah? What do you want? You want to do that now? Oh, this one gave us fake charm after eating my money. This is too much. This is real. I want to go. To go where? I want to understand. Do you want water in your house? Another one! You don't want this water since. My 50,000 naira is gone just like that. What a waste! How can that lazy doctor give me fake charm?
Oh, wow.
Eh? How can he give me fake charm? What kind of nonsense is this?
You shouldn't fake.
Does he know how hard it is to get money? See, if I go back there, I will make him know that they don't pluck money from trees. He cannot eat my money and go free.
This is serious, so. I'll go with you, don't worry. I support you, my
friend. As for those two, Naomi and Ijeoma, I will deal with them. They should better know that it is not over.
How are you? Come on, serious man. I miss you. I really miss you. How have you been? Sis.
Papa, who are you smiling at? Who are you smiling at?
Papa? Papa, it's nothing. Nothing. I'm just rehearsing for the church drama that we'll be having this Saturday.
Church drama,
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Naomi, I will show you that I can no longer be enslaved by you. You cannot destroy my life and everything I have labored for. I will show you that I am a lion, and you cannot destroy a lion in its own den. I will show you that I am the tigress that fears no wild or domestic animal. Let us see who becomes victorious at last. Let us watch and see who wins the war. Faith! 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 Oh, where's Faith? Faith! Faith! Oh, where's this girl? Where's this girl? Faith! Oh, Faith, thank God. It's okay, eh?
Wait. I want to go home. I'm tired. I'm fed up. At this point, I want to go home right now.
Go and do it. When you're already almost there. Eh? How can you go get close to achieving your mission and you want to turn back? You can't quit like that. That's not how they do it.
I don't care.
Let's just continue our journey.
I want to go home right now. I want to go home. I'm tired. I want to go home.
Are you mad? Come back here. Come back here. Listen to me. You are not going anywhere. We have gone too far to go home. Don't you realize what you're going for? You're going on a mission that will help our life. Where are you going to?
I want to go home.
I want to go home now. You are not going anywhere. Anywhere. So let us continue our journey in peace. Do you hear me?
No. I'm going home.
No?
Yes.
No problem. I'm going further. I can't go backwards like you.
I want to go home.
As for me, I'm going to meet the doctor. Well, another ghost is going to appear to meet you. In 5 seconds.
I want to go home. Wait. I want to go.
Baka mmanwụ mmụọ na-apụ apụ ekene m enwere ndị ọbịa ka mara ji wee bịa ị na-eme bịa na mgbe ị ga-eme ihe.
Welcome to the land of Ovulugede. Once again, you are welcome, my daughters.
Thank you.
What do you seek from Great Obaka?
Great Obaka, we need your help. So that's why we're here. Her spirit has been tormenting us since then. We no longer sleep in our houses. We now sleep in a casket close to our grave. Like she instructed. Please help us.
So, what do you want me to do exactly?
Great Obaka, we want you to cage her for us. Make her weak. Tie her for us. If it's possible, make her die again so that she will go and rest and allow us, the living, to enjoy ourselves. Please.
Oguna ngo ni fo kun se bakara nkun. Bamba okun ba da agba na okwu asi. Abo se gba na abulu nwanne. Obaka. Iye yoba.
I shall do as you requested. But Obaka, the great Obaka, is a deity of purity and truth. Obaka frowns at lies and deceit. Before I proceed, let me ask you both. Do you have a hand in her death?
No, we don't.
And then we shall proceed. But first, drop some money in this calabash. What is her name?
Naomi.
Her native name?
Chinaza.
Chinaza. We shall summon her spirit here. Olùgbàgbà kan sí elu, olùgbàgbà kan sí elu. Ọgbọ́dọ̀ tó fọ búlú sọ bó sí òkú. Ọbaka mmanwụ, ọbaka mmanwụ. Isi ọchọ ma wọlé isi ebulu. Olùkọ́ n'elu. Olùkọ́ n'elu. Kunye. Chinaza! 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 I summon your spirit. God, the greater one can seek your presence. Come! Come! Greater one can seek your presence.
Great Opoka, why did you let her go? And why were you bowing down to her spirit instead of capturing it?
Ah! I forbid you from uttering a word. How dare you? How dare you lie in front of Opoka? One more word from you, I will turn you back into a guinea fowl. And I yell. How dare you! Now, leave my presence and never come back. You're evil! You shall reap what you sow. Go and face the penalty of your actions. Your hands are stained with blood of the innocent. You are evil! Hey! Dame tala man fem. Umete bulu. Asa ko habo. Asa ole keta tu ben mili. Oje fan tala wana. Hey! Ide ga wom na ro. Asa fa ole keta tu ben mili. Nkete je fan tala wana.
My friend, don't you think it's time for you to expose your killers? Instead of letting them walk around as if nothing ever happened.
It's not the right time for that. I'm not done tormenting and teaching them a lesson. At the right time, they will surely be exposed.
I want virgins. That's what's up. I only want virgins. I want virgins. I got hoes every day. Hoes. All the hoes be, nigga. I smell virgins. I want more virgins. I want virgins. I'm sick and tired of hoes, nigga. I want virgins, baby. I want virgins. I'm sick and tired of hoes. All of them are hoes. Is you a virgin? You was a hoe. Get out. Bloody hoes everywhere.
Oh no.
Virgins.
Can you see my son?
I'm virgins.
My queen, don't worry. I'll surface them more to tell us where you live at me.
I want virgins, baby.
The prince of this kingdom.
Don't
worry. Just don't take heart.
Yo, crazy, money. You know what I'm saying? I want me some fresh virgins. Somebody give me some virgins, please. I'm sick and tired of the hoes. I want me a virgin.
No.
My queen.
Can you see my son? He wants more virgins.
That's what's up, mama. I want me some virgins. I'm sick and tired of them hoes. Somebody get me a virgin. I want the virgins of the land, nigga. That's what's up, baby.
The cloud is getting heavier. It's time we follow the light and go to rest. Tomorrow, we shall make those evil girls to confess to our people about what they did to us. For their time has come to an end. We are satisfied. Now let's hand them over to the police.
Oh no. I am really better out. Because the Igbo is no longer at ease over there abroad. The situation, the calamity that has befallen his kingdom is a threat to him. Judging from the way he spoke, he might enter the next available flight to Nigeria. And you know what it means to him, leaving his medication abroad, coming back because of the problems here. Oh no, I don't know what to do. What do we do to bring a lasting solution to these problems, to these calamities?
Well, my queen, I've heard you. I will see the elders of our land. And we shall be here in the next Afro Market Day to discuss on how to consult Ibagwaluku, since the police has actually failed us.
Oh no. Thank you very much. I know I can rely on you anytime, any day. Please, endeavor to do what you said, so that the king will not leave his medications to come here.
Youth of Amanok Kingdom, what is the problem?
Oh no! Thank God you are here. We have come to let you, the Queen, and the elders of this community that we are not happy. But not be so! Not be so! The rate at which our girls are missing in this community is very alarming. Our mothers are crying day and night. Girls who are supposed to bury their mother, the mothers are not the one burying them. For how long are we going to fold our arms and let evil prevail? Every time you'll be telling us to keep quiet, that you're going to sort everything out, but nothing is sorting. We have come to do it in pieces. Not be so! Not be so!
Youths of Amanok Kingdom, I greet you all. I want you to calm down. I want you to know that I, the king, the elders in council, we are not folding our hands, watching the evil that has befallen us. I want you to know that we are doing everything humanly possible to make sure we tackle the problems and bring an end solution to it. The only thing we ask of you is to give us some time.
This is what you have been telling us. We have been hearing time, give us time, but we don't have the time again. I'm running out of patience.
We've heard enough. My friend is involved here.
Nonsense.
We're responsible for the missing girl. We killed Chica. And also Naomi and another girl because they were pregnant. They were going to expose us. We didn't have any energies. Please, we can I knew it! I knew you girls are evil! You have been giving veggies to the priest and his friends! Don't even just want to make money, please! Just money, please! Forgive us! I'm sorry! The devil's work on me, I'm sorry!
Youth of Amanok Kingdom, know what to do.
Excuse me. Hold it. Oh no.
My queen.
We are not going to take the law into our hands. So you two evil are the reason my son is running mad in the market. Oh no. We will hand them over to the appropriate authorities. We will call the police.
Police can go
Oh,